Ever felt like you're drowning in a sea of invoices, expenses, and financial chaos? Like you're spending more time trying to figure out where your money is going than actually making money? I mean, honestly, who hasn't? You're running a business, or maybe you're a freelancer, and you know you need to get organized, but the thought of complex accounting software makes your head spin. And then you hear about QuickBooks. Everyone says it's the answer, but here's the burning question. What's it actually going to cost you? Is it worth it? Will it break the bank? Or is it the magic bullet you've been searching for? See, we've all been there. You're trying to grow, trying to streamline, trying to be efficient. And the last thing you need is a financial black hole. You need clarity. You need control. You need to know exactly where your money is going. And that's where QuickBooks comes in. It's a powerhouse, a giant in the world of small business accounting. But with so many options, so many plans, it's easy to get lost in the weeds. So, let's break it down. Shall we? Let's demystify the cost of QuickBooks and figure out which plan, if any, is right for you. First off, we're talking about QuickBooks Online. This is the cloud-based subscription model that most small businesses gravitate towards. It's flexible, accessible from anywhere, and generally easier to manage than the desktop versions. And that's where we'll focus today. Now, the cost is subscription-based, meaning you pay a monthly fee. And those fees vary significantly based on the features you need. Let's start with the most basic option, QuickBooks Online Simple Start. Simple Start is, as the name suggests, the entry-level plan. It's designed for freelancers, sole proprietors, and very small businesses with basic needs. Think simple invoicing, expense tracking, and basic reporting. It's the most affordable option, usually around $30 a month. But keep in mind, it's limited. It only allows for one user, and it doesn't have features like bill management or inventory tracking. So, if your business is growing even slightly, you'll likely outgrow Simple Start pretty quickly. Next up, we have QuickBooks Online Essentials. This plan is a step up, typically costing around $55 a month. It adds the ability to manage bills, which is crucial for most businesses. Plus, you can have up to 3 users, making it ideal for small teams. If you're starting to have more complex transactions and need to manage your accounts payable, Essentials is a solid choice. It bridges the gap between basic tracking and more robust accounting. Now, we're moving into the realm of more serious business. QuickBooks Online Plus. This is where things get interesting. It's usually around $85 a month, and it's packed with features. You get inventory tracking, project profitability, and the ability to track up to 5 users. This plan is perfect for businesses with inventory or those who need to manage multiple projects. It gives you a much clearer picture of your business's financial health, allowing you to make more informed decisions. It's the most popular plan for a reason. It offers a great balance of features and affordability for growing businesses. And finally, we have QuickBooks Online Advanced. This is the top-tier plan, designed for businesses with more complex needs. We're talking around $200 a month or more. It includes everything in plus advanced features like custom reporting, workflow automation, and dedicated account management. You can have up to 25 users, and it integrates with more third-party apps. If your business is large, or if you need highly customized reporting and workflows, Advanced is the way to go. But it's a significant investment, so you need to be sure you'll utilize all the features. Now, let's talk about some hidden costs, because as with any software, there's more to it than just the monthly subscription. First, there are add-ons. QuickBooks offers a range of add-ons, like payroll, time tracking, and advanced reporting. These can add to your monthly cost, but they can also streamline your operations significantly. For example, QuickBooks Payroll is a popular add-on that automates payroll calculations and tax filings. The cost of payroll varies depending on the number of employees and the features you need, but it can easily add another $45 to $150 or more to your monthly bill. Then there's the cost of training and support. While QuickBooks is generally user-friendly, you might need some help getting started. You can find plenty of online tutorials and resources, but if you need personalized support, you might have to pay for it. Intuit, the company behind QuickBooks, offers various support options, including phone support, chat support, and even on-site training. But these services can come at a cost. And finally, there's the cost of integration. QuickBooks integrates with a wide range of third-party apps, like Shopify, Salesforce, and Square. But some integrations might require additional subscriptions or fees. So, it's important to factor these costs into your overall budget. Now, let's take a quick look at the QuickBooks website. Here, you can find detailed information about each plan, including a breakdown of features and pricing. It's important to do your research and compare the different options to find the plan that's right for you. And remember, QuickBooks often offers discounts and promotions, especially for new customers. So, keep an eye out for those deals. Another important point to consider is how you'll be using QuickBooks. Are you a freelancer who just needs to track expenses and invoices? Or are you a growing business with inventory and multiple employees? Your needs will determine which plan is right for you. If you're unsure, start with a lower-tier plan and upgrade as your business grows. This can help you save money in the long run. And don't forget the importance of proper setup. A well-configured QuickBooks account can save you hours of time and frustration. Consider hiring a QuickBooks Pro advisor to help you set up your account and train your staff. This can be a worthwhile investment that pays off in the long run. When you weigh all of these factors, it is easy to see that the real cost of QuickBooks is more than just the monthly subscription fee. It's about the value it provides, the time it saves, and the clarity it brings to your business finances. If you're a small business owner, that clarity can be the difference between success and failure. That's not an exaggeration. Think of it as an investment in your business, not just an expense. If you're serious about growing your business and managing your finances effectively, QuickBooks can be a valuable tool. But it's important to choose the right plan and understand the associated costs. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.